The world is coming to Mexico in 2026. With the FIFA World Cup kicking off across 3 countries, Mexico is ready to steal the show with its electric atmosphere, unbeatable food, rich culture, and bucket list destinations. Whether you've scored tickets to the matches or you're just chasing the party vibes, this guide will show you where to eat, stay, and explore like a local. From the lively streets of Mexico City, the charm of Guadalajara, to the mountain-framed beauty of Monterrey, this isn't just about football. It's about the full experience. So, pack your jersey, grab your appetite, and get ready. We're diving into the best of Mexico during the World Cup 2026. Where to eat one? Mexico City. Mexico City is a food lover's paradise with options for every palate and budget. You can't leave without trying tacos al pastor, a Mexico City classic made with spit-roasted pork, pineapple, and salsa. Grab one from El Huequito or Taqueria El Vilcito, a car repair shop by day and taco haven by night. If you're feeling fancy, Pujol, run by celebrity chef Enrique Olvera, is consistently ranked among the world's best restaurants. Their famous Mola Madre has been aged for over 1,000 days. Yes, seriously. Don't skip the bustling Mercado Roma, a gourmet food hall perfect for sampling everything from ceviche to mezcal. 2. Guadalajara. In the heart of Jalisco, Guadalajara serves up a rich culinary identity. Your first bite should be birria, a spicy stew often served with tortillas for dipping. Try it at Birreria Las Nueve Esquinas for the real deal. If you're into street food, explore Mercado San Juan de Dios, one of the largest indoor markets in Latin America, with stalls offering everything from tamales to exotic fruits. For a uniquely local experience, taste a torta ahogada, a drowned sandwich packed with carnitas and spicy salsa. Cool down with a glass of tejuino, a fermented corn drink, or treat yourself to creamy jericala, the city's version of creme brulee. 3. Monterrey. Monterrey is famous for its meaty dishes and northern-style cooking. At El Rey del Cabrito, you can try cabrito asado or roasted young goat, a local delicacy slow-cooked over open flames. For a modern, elevated take on Mexican cuisine, head to Pangea, a fine dining spot that blends regional ingredients with world-class techniques. If you want something quick and hearty, street stalls across the city offer tacos de arrachera, grilled skirt steak tacos that are juicy, smoky, and unforgettable. Finish your food tour with glorias, a local dessert made from goat's milk and pecans. You'll thank us later. Where to stay? 1. Mexico City. Mexico City caters to all kinds of travelers. For those looking to stay in style, Four Seasons Hotel Mexico City offers luxury and tranquility in the heart of the action, right on Paseo de la Reforma. For art lovers, Hotel Carlota features cutting-edge design, local art installations, and a rooftop pool for those post-game wind downs. Want something more budget-friendly? Selena Downtown blends modern amenities with a co-living and co-working vibe, making it perfect for solo travelers and digital nomads. Plus, it's walking distance to museums, taco joints, and nightlife. 2. Guadalajara. In Guadalajara, stay near the action by booking a room in Lafayette or the Centro Histórico. Casa Habita, set in a restored 1940s mansion, offers boutique luxury, a rooftop bar, and a stunning pool. If you're traveling with friends or family, Demetria Hotel combines privacy with modern comfort in the heart of the cultural district. For backpackers or those on a tight budget, Hostel Hospedarte Chapultepec is safe, clean, and known for its warm community. The neighborhood is buzzing with restaurants, bars, and live music venues. 3. Monterrey. If you're World Cup bound for Monterrey, consider staying in San Pedro Garza Garcia, one of the safest and most modern areas in the city. The JW Marriott Hotel Monterrey Valle offers upscale comfort with breathtaking views of the Sierra Madre Mountains. Closer to the stadiums and downtown, you'll find solid mid-range options, like Hotel Safi Royal Luxury Towers, known for its excellent service and classic style. If you prefer something cozier or local, Airbnb is widely available, with hosts often offering travel tips or even game day experiences. Where to explore? 1. Mexico City. Beyond the matches, Mexico City is a cultural playground. Start with a day trip to Teotihuacan, home to the massive Pyramid of the Sun and Moon, about an hour from the city. Back in town, drift through the floating gardens of Xochimilco in colorful boats called trajineras, where music and snacks float along with you. Don't miss Coyoacán, Frida Kahlo's bohemian neighborhood, and her iconic Blue House Museum, which gives you a deep dive into the life of one of Mexico's greatest artists. 2. Guadalajara. Guadalajara is full of tradition and charm. Visit the stunning Guadalajara Cathedral and the Hospicio Cabañas, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring murals by José Clemente Orozco. Make sure to take a short trip to Tlaquepaque, an artsy neighborhood known for handmade ceramics, mariachi performances, and vibrant colors. Want to spice things up? Book a tour on the Tequila Express, a train ride to the town of Tequila where you'll learn how the famous spirit is made, followed by tastings and dancing in the agave fields. 3. Monterrey Nature meets City in Monterrey, where dramatic landscapes surround urban life. Fundidora Park is a massive green space, filled with museums, biking trails, art galleries, and even an ice rink. Adventurers should check out Chipinque Ecological Park for hiking, mountain biking, and wildlife spotting with unbeatable city views. Or head underground to Grutas de Garcia, a spectacular cave system filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and legends dating back millions of years. It's the perfect escape from the stadium crowds and a great way to explore a different side of Mexico. Whether you're traveling for the love of football, the thrill of discovering new cultures, or just to chase the best tacos in the world, Mexico during the 2026 World Cup is ready to give you the adventure of a lifetime. So, where will you go first? Mexico City's tacos, Guadalajara's tequila trails, or Monterrey's mountain hikes? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more travel guides, insider tips, and all things World Cup.